another video on the sandwich toaster. So, I cooked a dumpling, like a suet dumpling, in the sandwich toaster. It was a success. So let's see if we can make a suet pastry, same recipe as a suet dumpling. 1 part beef suet to 2 parts self-raising flour. That's flour that's got a raising agent in it. And then I've got some, this was leftovers, I've got some raisin steak, which is lovely and soft. So let's do like a suet pastry, beef, dumpling, pate type of thing, and see if we can cook it in the sandwich toaster. The meat's already cooked, so that won't be a problem. Oh, that's a bit too small. So I'll do some slightly bigger ones. So that in there, like that, and then I just need to wet around the outside. Let's do that one in there, and then we'll do that one in there, and then that's what we'll do. We'll just roll the tops out just a little bit, you know. So we just need a little bit of water around the edge. I should have had a container of water, shouldn't I? Instead of just using my fingers. So I get that. Yeah, I really should have had a container of water. This will be easier. I underestimated how much water I needed. So so that'll make that stick. And then some bits of meat. You put in anything you want as long as it's cooked. It's not going to cook any meat in here, although that's an idea, isn't it? So that don't want to overpack it too much, although anything you cook in a sandwich toast always seems to be a bit empty on the inside. So quick wash of the hands, and then I've still got the roll pin out now, so just roll that out a little bit more. It's a bit thinner than I would like, but not to worry. And then put that over the top, squish down, cause a crumb. It's a bit like a pasty will this, if it works. All we've really got to do is heat the centre up and cook the pastry. So it was the dumpling was the best pastry so far. I think it's because of the suet in it. It went kind of crispy on the outside and it was lovely. So hopefully if it spills, it spills. I might just not want to seal properly, but we'll see how we go. So turn on, lid down, and then we'll cook away and we'll see what happens. Right, let's have a sneaky peek. It's steaming. Ooh! I think we're gonna have a success. Lots of fat's coming out of it. But anyway, it should be a success, this one. Right, let's have a look. They look good, don't they? They look good. Nice and crispy. They're a bit uneven. I think that's probably just because it's a cheap sandwich toaster. Will they come out? Yes, they're going to come out. I don't know if it would be better to roll out a big square and plonk it on, and then instead of individual triangles. I don't know. It's not something we're going to be doing en masse, but I think the suet pastry is my favourite type of pastry in a sandwich toaster. So let's break into one. We'll break into this one. Oh, it's a bit hot. Yeah, like molten lava though. That's just, not sure I want that. I'm not entirely sure that it's cooked. That bit is. There we go. That's a success. I'd be reluctant to put gravy in because I think that'd spurt out. But better turn off. That works. How does it taste? Without wanting to burn my mouth off. Mmm. 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 I really should pause, shouldn't I? That's delicious. That's delicious. That is my favourite. That's my favourite pastry in a sandwich toaster so far. Although I'm sure I'll have other ideas. That's delicious. That's lovely, is that? There we go. I don't know, what are they? Corny, not pasties, like pasties, aren't they? But delicious. Delicious, but suet pastry is rather delicious, and it's down to all the fat that's in it. But anyway, so I'll have to take a picture of that. So I'll just arrange that and take a picture for the thumbnail. But there we go. Although must be careful how I word the title. But anyway, there. That works. It's delicious. A success. Hurrah!